Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Automotive Villainy 2026. Right up top, I just want to ask you a favor. Please like and subscribe this video. It does this channel and all the small channels like us a world of good. And it shows people that you want real content with real people and not just AI slop. So please do that for me, and I really appreciate it, because we have a lot of really cool things happening this year, and I want you guys to be able to do it with me. So when you like, you subscribe, then you get to do it with us. I don't have to keep asking you. It'll just pop up and show you. But we have a lot of really fun things this year, a lot of really exciting things. We have a bunch of turd coming this year. There's going to be some changes in our life. It's going to help Whitney and I out a lot, and I'm really excited to show them to you. And it's going to involve a turd a lot and getting back to our roots. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, right? So as I mentioned before, we have a lot of turd coming. Stay tuned for turd. Listen to that. He's happy about it. But we also have some really exciting things. We're going to Daytona for the first time. I've never been to the Daytona Rally. I've only ever done Sturgis, so that's going to be exciting. Not sure I'm going to get there yet, but we'll worry about that later. We're also going to go to Route 66. It's the 100th year anniversary. I mean, what's more American than Route 66, right? So let's figure that one out as well. We're also going to be setting up a West Coast rally for the Excelsior Henderson group. The West Coast is notoriously done kind of poor, so we need to really bring out everyone and get as many people as we can. We're probably going to Tahoe. I've never set up one of these things before, so it's going to be new for me. It's going to be new for you guys. You guys can watch me struggle, and maybe that'll be fun. Maybe my pain can be your humor. And one of the more unfortunate things we're going to have to do is we're going to have to say goodbye to an old friend. We've kind of outgrown Peanut a little bit, and we're just putting it to too much work, and we really need it to be somewhere where it can be loved and treated like it's supposed to, instead of hauling heavy farm machinery like it does for me all the time. So even though I said I'd never sell this car, we're going to have to do it, and we're going to find it a good home. So even though it's sad to get rid of Peanut, we still need something to haul farm equipment with. So that being said, we've got to introduce a new person, a new thing to our channel, and it doesn't have a name yet, but this is Peanut 2.0. This is what's going to be taking Peanut's place, and we'll save the fun stuff for later, but just know that got some exciting stuff for you with this as well, and for me. This is going to be exciting for me, you know. Stay tuned for 2026. I'm going to be working my butt off. If this doesn't kill me, I don't know what will. But we're going to have as much fun as we possibly can, and we're going to have as much adventure as we possibly can, and we're going to try to cram it all into a year. And I really want you guys to come along with me. I think it's going to be great. So I'll see you on the road. Let's get to work.